Okay, welcome. Today we're talking about adding and subtracting polynomials. Now, we've already done some work with this already. We just kind of have to get used to um, a couple things. Uh, we've already collected like terms. Now we're just going to be kind of going through and, say, looking at two polynomials. For instance, in example A, we have a binomial, and to it we want to add another binomial. Now, the great thing about adding polynomials is right away you can just get rid of the brackets, okay, and everything just becomes stays the same as the sign on the inside. So if I were to look at example A here, okay, I have x plus 3 plus 2x minus 1. Okay, so because I'm adding, I can simply just drop the brackets, and then to that I'm going to add 2x, and I'm also going to add negative 1, which is just like minus 1. Okay, so now I can just collect like terms. Well, I have an x and a plus 2x, so this would become x plus 2x, x plus 2x. Okay, and then I have a plus 3 and a minus 1. Okay, so then I have a plus 3 and a minus 1. So this all would become, simplifying like terms, x plus 2x gives us 3x, and plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to do B, and then I'm going to leave C for you to do on your own. Okay, so looking at B, okay, I can always just drop the brackets on the left-hand polynomial, because those aren't going to change. So I can rewrite this, if I'm looking at now trinomial plus trinomial, 6x squared minus 7x plus 8, I can just drop the brackets on that and rewrite it, 6x squared minus 7x plus 8. Okay, and since I'm adding, I can simply drop the brackets on the right hand, the polynomial on the right, and I'll just keep the same sign in front of each term. So plus negative is still minus 4x squared, plus negative 6x is minus 6x, and plus negative 3 is minus 3. Okay? And now I've got a little work to do here. I've got to collect like terms. So let's look at the x squareds. I have 6x squared and I have minus 4x squared. So this becomes 6x squared minus 4x squared. And then I have minus 7x and a minus 6x. So I have minus 7x minus 6x. Okay? And then finally I have the constant terms, plus 8 and minus 3. Okay, so we have plus 8 and minus 3. Alright, and when we clean this all up and add our like terms together, we get 6x squared minus 4x squared leaves us with 2x squared. Okay, and then we're going to have a minus 7x and take away 6 more x from that, so it's going to be minus, and then that's going to be 13x. And then finally we have a plus 8 minus 3, so the answer there will be positive, and 8 minus 3 is positive 5. So there we have it. We have our final answer here. 2x squared minus 13x plus 5. Okay? So you go and you try C on your own. Okay? And watch the next video on subtracting polynomials.